Hello everyone. As you all know that there are a number of festivals and occasions that are being lined up in the coming few days. Normally we celebrate these festivals and occasions in school with a lot of joy and merriment so that the children become aware how India is a melting pot for all cultures. They participate in these festivals, they soak up in the ambience of these festivities, they sing and dance and have lots of fun. And one of the integral parts of this celebration is making craft items pertaining to each festival. But since we are going through these trying times, we should try as much as possible so that the children don't miss out on any of this. Parents, on occasion of Rakhi, the children are going to make a craft. They are going to make the craft primarily during the online class, but for this, you need to keep a few things ready. We all need your support and help so that the children have fun during these festivals. Now parents, you are going to keep 3 different colored papers ready. If you don't have ready-made colored papers, what you can do is, from the stationery items, you can take out the box of poster colors and take out any 3 colors. Like I have taken out these colors, any 3 bright colors. I've taken these colors. You can choose any color. And with this, you need to make 3 different patches. With these 3 colors, you need to make 3 different patches on a sheet of white paper. You can do it on a chart paper. If you don't have any white paper, you can do it on newspaper also. So you are going to make 3 different patches of 3 different colors. And from these patches, you are going to cut out different sized flowers. I'll show you. Suppose I have painted a patch with red. So from there I have cut out this flower. This is of a medium size. From the second cutout that I have made of yellow, the patch I have made of yellow, from that I will make the second cutout smaller than the first one. Okay? Smaller than the first one. And from the third patch of color, I will cut out a smaller, still smaller size flower, smaller than the second cutout. So here are the different sized flower that we are going to cut out from the patches of colors that you have already made. Along with this, please keep a ribbon ready. This ribbon can be of any color that will go with the flowers. This size ribbon, the ribbon should be of the size that it can be tied around a wrist, and keep this Fevicol ready. If possible, if you have any glitter or chunki at home, you can keep that ready also. So thank you so much parents. This is the craft that we are going to do. We are going to make a Rakhi, and for this, please keep these things ready for the next online class.